Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another reviewing your channel art video. Hopefully you guys are excited for this one because I know I am. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start out with Mr. P. The logo looks pretty cool. It looks straight out of a horror movie, not even going to lie. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. It looks pretty cool. It just looks kind of spooky. So the banner, kind of low resolution, so I would definitely try to fix that. The text is a little bit too high up. It should be centered a little bit more. I would change this up. It kind of looks like a blob of just a bunch of stuff, so I would definitely try to tweak that a little bit. Maybe make the text stand out a little bit more because black is kind of hard to see. The thumbnails like this, really good. I like those a lot. Some of these could use some work, like I'm guessing you didn't really even make that one, but I don't know. Let's see. Like the text is kind of small in this one and it's black. This one's nice. That I can't read. So just tweak some of those things and you'll be good. So let's move on to the next person. Next up, we got bloxyfps. Super cool logo, looks really nice. Super cool banner, no complaints there except for the text. I would say the text is a little bit hard to read, so maybe add a darker drop shadow below it or something like that to separate it from the blue shirt because they kind of blend in. But besides that, it's a really solid banner. The logos are the thumbnails are basically the same as the banners and stuff like that, so pretty decent. The white text with the blue glow or whatever makes it kind of hard to see, so maybe add a drop shadow to make it a little bit easier to read or something like that. But yeah, besides that, you're doing good. Looks like you're new to YouTube. You haven't uploaded in a while, so definitely get to that and you'll be good. All right, next up we got this person, and yeah, so you can see the logo and banner are from one of my videos, so you know it looks good. I would maybe make an original one, but that's really just a minor complaint. I think that, you know, eventually you should have an original banner and logo, but it's good to start. So the thumbnails, it looks like you don't really have many thumbnails. Like they're pretty simple, kind of all over the place, so I would definitely work on that. So I can't really judge because you don't have like any thumbnails really. Like this black text, hard to read, it's off centered, it's all like top left, so it's kind of weird. Make sure to center that. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this one. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so next up we got Beast. We'll start out with the logo, mascot logo. It's all right. You know, I'd maybe make a more original logo, but you know, just a minor complaint. The banner is kind of insane. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. You got like some math equations here. Gaming minus love equals what? I don't know. So it's all over the place. It's off centered. I don't know. I'm sorry, man. You got to redo this. I don't even know what to tell you. I don't really know how to improve it because it all needs to be redone. No offense or anything, but that's just how it is. Thumbnails are actually, let's see. Well, this one is really clean. Text is a little bit hard to read, but not like super hard to read. Looks really nice. I'd work on the text on these, but you got a good start for sure. Like this one's pretty decent. Just redo this and fix that and you'll be good, man. So let's move on to the next person. Next up, we got BR3 Gaming. For some reason, your logo reminds me, yeah, it reminds me of Vanoss Gaming. You see the similarities? It's not bad, but that's just what it reminds me of. Anyways, clean logo. I really like it. Clean banner. Zero complaints. Like super solid, dude. Oh, these thumbnails are so good. All right, I love these thumbnails. Definitely my style. Probably the best art yet that I've seen. So yeah, dude, keep it up. Super sick, man. And yeah, let's move on to the next person. All right, next up we got pasca, loca or something. I don't know. I tried. All right. Logo is just a picture of their face, I believe. So all right, can't really complain about someone's face. It works, I guess. For the banner, I would move the text to the center. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm not trying to roast you guys or anything, but like, why do you guys have like your text like all like off-centered and stuff, like top left or like top right? I don't really understand. Just center it and it looks a lot better. It'll look a lot better, trust me. Just do that and you'll be good. Thumbnails, basic, but pretty clean. Like these, I like those a lot. Those are good. Looks like some pretty interesting videos. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about this one. Keep it up, man. Last but not least, we got spazzyblocks with 1.2 thousand subscribers. Or sorry, 1.1, I cannot read. Clean logo. I've seen you in the Discord, so what's up, dude? The banner looks really clean, man. You're really good at this. I know that because I've seen your stuff. especially the 3D rendering or whatever. But yeah, super clean banner. I love the style and it's just really unique. I like that a lot. The thumbnail's pretty clean. Not really any complaints. The text here, kind of but like this is solid. I do like it. It catches your eye. So yeah, man, you're doing really good. But yeah, that's really gonna conclude the video. Hopefully it's not too short. I don't really know how long it is. I kind of flew through these, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. This one was really fun, actually. I might have roasted you guys a little bit too hard, but you know, it's gonna help more in the long run. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.